guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing this sultry eye look. Yeah guys, and I'm just gonna go straight into this tutorial. So the first thing that I'm gonna be using is my L'Oreal True Match. The last time that I said I was using this CoverGirl, it wasn't a CoverGirl actually, it was like the L'Oreal True Match concealer, and I'm using that as my eyeshadow base and basically just adding it with my fingers because I think it adds, easily. Then I'm gonna go in with this pink shade from my Santee palette. It's like a pinkish purplish color, and I'm using that as my transition shade. So I'm just using this blending brush now to just blend everything, as you can see, and just blending out the edges so we can have everything nice and the blended eyeshadow. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with this brown color from my Santee palette, and I'm just gonna be using that along with this purple shade, mixing both of them because I really want to define my crease so that when we go in with the black eyeshadow, it's like well defined and the eyeshadow look is so pronounced and we have that really smoky effect going on our lids. You know what I mean? Yeah.
She'll be the death of me, at least we're both numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah girl I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go.
Guys, so I'm going in with this black shade from this palette that I have, lying around. I'm not really sure about the name, but I'm gonna go in with this black shadow, and this is going to give us the smoky effect. So I'm just using the same brush that we used earlier to just blend everything across our lid, and then I'm trying to keep it lower than the transition shade. So I'm not going to go on top of the transition shade because then that's going to give me like a deadly eye look, and we're not really going for that ghostly, scary looking kind of look. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing, using the brush now to just blend out the edges so it's nice and sultry. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay guys, so now that we're satisfied with the eye look and everything is looking nice and blended in, I'm just gonna go in with my lashes, so I'll be right back. Yeah guys, so I just added my lashes, and yeah, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with my clean colors like primer, and I'm just spraying that all over my face. Then I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to just blend everything across my face. And then we're gonna go in with our foundation, and that is the LA Girls Pro Coverage Illuminating High Definition Foundation, and I'm using the color Coffee. So I'm gonna be using my beauty sponge now to just blend everything across my face because I think that the beauty sponge does a better job at blending it so that the foundation is nice and sheer. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just gonna be highlighting under my eyes, my nose bridge, my forehead, and above my cupid's bow.
death for me, at least we're both numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge, and I'm gonna be using this now to blend up my concealer so our face is nice and snatched, if you know what I mean.
She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both
Hey guys, so you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna set our highlights. So I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm gonna be adding that under my eyes, my forehead, my nose bridge, above my cupid's bow, and we're just gonna blend all of that. So watch me as I blend, guys. Come on, blend with me. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girls Glam Kit, and you know, we're just gonna snatch our face, because you know, we can't leave our face looking all bare and flat, you know. So we have to use like I'm using the powder contouring shade to just snatch my face, my cheekbones, below my cheekbones, just for, you know, all my lowlights and my forehead and all of that. So when I'm finished, I'll be nice and glowy, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna do a little bit of reverse contouring. So I'm using the same Sacha Buttercup, and I'm using that to just cut the contour that we just created. So I'm gonna be going in with this brush now, and I'm just gonna be blending everything.
the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever young. This I know, yeah, this I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go.
Okay, so now that we are satisfied with everything and our face is looking all nice and bronzy and golden, what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be going with my highlighter, guys. Yes. So this is the Amuse Beauty Glow Kit, and I'm gonna be using the highlighter shade, this one. And I'm using this nice, you know, brush. It is from my brush set. And we're just gonna use that now to add our highlighter to the highest point of our cheekbone, or nose bridge, or forehead, and above my cupid's bow. And then guys, pretty soon we're gonna get to our finished look.
And I know she'll be the death for me, at least we're both numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. This I know, yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry no more. We both know we can't go without it. She told me you'll never be in love.
Okay guys, so I went in with this lip color, and this is a nice, you know, soft to pink lip color, and I'm gonna be using my Air Woman pencil to just line my lips a bit, and then I'm gonna go in again with the same pink, soft to pink gloss now to just define the lips a bit. to just blend in the highlighter a bit, and I'm gonna go in with my setting spray to just set my face. And guys, this is our finished look.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come. But at least we'll both be beautiful.